in time. I stayed up all night, drinking my weight in pints.
Papasok na kami guys sa work. Thank you. Sabay tayo papasok.
¿Qué pasó?
And then we're gonna go together at work. But in different place. Ihatid niya ako guys. Let's go.
So guys, actually ako yung mauuna sa work. Eh kaso ano lang naman, 20 minutes lang naman yung difference namin, kaya sabay na lang kami pupunta sa work. And this is our new car. You see that? Let's go, babe. So let's go inside. Ngayon, hindi sobra yung pagpasok ko sa work. Hindi tulad dati. Yung work ko, diba, 9:30, tapos mga 8:26, nabiyahe na ako. Ngayon is 8:40. So, sakto lang kasi nga, hihatid ako ni husband by car. So, yeah. And tomorrow is already day of Saturday. So, makakapahinga naman tayo sa work. Now, I feel now. Ganito pala yung feel guys, no, kapag gusto mo na mag-rest, pero meron ka pang trabaho kinabukasan. Today, I need to put that down. So, ayan guys. Let's go. You already buy this? Vanilla. And the flavor is vanilla. Vanilla flavor. Like this, oh, I drive here yesterday when I drive bicycle. Drive here, straight, and then straight. I know. So dadaan din pala kami dito. So same lang, same route. Yeah. Parang dali lang talaga guys ipalo kapag nagbabike ka. And yesterday, that was my first time to ride a bicycle, right? Medyo kinakabahan ako na hindi mapakali. Baka kasi hindi ako makapag-drive or baka may mabunggo ako. So hindi lang. So dapat pala guys, lang, kalma. Hindi kalma. So yeah. Ngayon, yung work ni husband is hindi sobrang aga. You start 9:30. Hindi tulad kahapon. Nagising na siya ng 2:30 AM. So, ang aga niya umalis kahapon sa work. Ayun, kahapon, mga 8 AM nag-start na. Malapit na kami guys. 2 minutes na lang. Ibababa niya lang ako doon sa Noisy. Hala. Tignan nyo guys yung mga beggar. Nakaupo sa sahig. It's like Latvia, no?
What?
Latvian style. What is that? In Latvia, the big store? Maxima?
Yeah.
So, may nahanap akong ganito. Para sa chop suey. Bibili ako nito. Kukuha ko guys ng cabbage. Ang lalaki nila. Hanap tayong maliit. Pero mas mura lang dito guys. O, tingnan nyo. Yan yung price. Ito na lang. Parang lang naman. Parang same lang sila. Ito yung maliit. So, ayan. Let's put in the cart. Para sa chop suey.
Latvian
Look guys, meron silang papaya. Kaso na siya, hinog na. Maganda to, pang lagay sa tinola. Ito guys, hindi ko pa ito na-try lutuin. Mag-search ako kasi madalas ko to makita ang gulay na to, pero hindi ko pa siya na-try. So, yeah. Ito yung kinakain guys ni husband, pinapakuluan namin siya. Meron silang luya. Kaso mahal 6 euro per kilo. Mahal talaga yung luya. Alam niyo ba guys, galing kami ng work, kaming dalawa. Tapos lang namin sa work, tapos sinundo ako ni husband. Tapos dumiretso kami dito sa Kaufland. Actually guys, alas 7 na ng gabi. Kuha si husband ng ganito. Ano siya, mushroom. May labaw mayonnaise. But the small one. Small. It's vegan.
No,
May-
it's not yet. Not the choice.
Wala sila dito guys, oyster sauce. Naghahanap ako ng oyster. Wala silang oyster. Meron silang. Sa teriyaki. Okay. I will try daw this. Curry. Teriyaki. Wag na lang siguro. Baka hindi masarap Ang dami nilang iba't ibang pangsangkap. Yes, like that. It's mayo.
I don't know. What is this 0%?
Kakauwi lang guys namin. Galing work. Pero kami. So, diba kaninang umaga, hinatid niya ako sa work. Tapos ngayon naman, sinundo niya ako. Actually, mas nauna ako natapos. Tapos ako ng 6. Tapos meron pa siyang work. Nasa pa siya. So, hinintay ko lang siya. Pwede naman akong mag-bike. Kaso, ayun. 1 hour lang naman yung paghintay ko. So, okay lang. Kaya hinintay ko na lang siya. So, ayan. And look, guys. We have another gifts. Ito, guys, yung gifts kay husband galing sa work niya. So, let's unbox it. Unboxing. Binibiro ko si husband, sabi ko. Dapat meron din akong sariling gifts kasi nga matagal din ako nagtrabaho. I mean, sama-sama sa pagbiyahe sa kanya. So, let's see. Yung nakalagay dito, guys, especially selected for you. Char, sana all. Tadam! So, open natin. Ang pangit lang pagkaano ko. Meron pa siyang pag ganito. Ano siya? Sako. Yung sako na binuhol-buhol. Wow. Actually, it looks similar of my gifts, my love. Just only add some. So first is
Rubbish bags.
coated peanuts. Wow. Ano? Parang similar siya sa gifts ko. And this one, delicioso. Delicioso.
Hmm?
No, not yet. I will do it. I will do it because I will do it later. Next is nougat. Similar siya sa packaging ko. Nougat. I don't know what is nougat. Actually guys, itong gift nila is ano pa to, galing ng Italy. Similar siya last year. Pero nung last year, madami siya. Ngayon parang kaunti lang. Natandaan.
Also, this is in Belgium.
Ito pala guys yung laman niya, oh.
It's like a Fuji,
Fudge.
but not Fuji. It's
And then, what is this? Pexel Perfect. What is this? Is chocolate? Let's do it. Let's open it later. And then we have here another one. What is this? My love, will you marry me? Answer. Wow! It's a watch! So my love, we're gonna have the same watch. Wow, watch.
I don't think so. It's the same.
Smart watch. Oh, my love, oh. This is watch.
But that's yours.
Son, no, it's for men, babe. It's for you. It's big. So we're gonna wear it together forever. Akala ko naman kung ano yung nakalagay. And then next is deliciosos. Yung ano yan, language Italian. Stick bread. Masarap, my love. It's yummy if it's have some cheese sauce.
It's also very yummy when you just make a tea.
Oh, it's a chocolate. At least my love, you have chocolate. Me, I don't have
What's then this is?
cacao. Don't open yet. Later. You also have bread, baby. Cooked bread. It's a bread. I think masarap siya. I think it's sweet. Oh, ang dami niyang mga sweets. Another one. And the last is ito siya. Chips. So that is my husband's gift. That's what he received from his work. So ayun. Mas madami yung akin.
Maybe this watch I can bring for Gabriel.
So guys, this is all what he received. Oh, diba?